Hi guys, I'm out in this beautiful location to review what's been sent to me as a K&F concept filter pack. It's got a ND400 filter, a UV filter and a polarizer filter, and I figured I'd take a few photos for you to have a look at them. But first of all, let's unbox the product. So it comes in a funky little fabric case with a Velcro strap on the back to put it on your camera strap when you're walking about. But it comes in separate sections. The fun thing about this particular filter pack is that it's all magnetic. So by my understanding is that I can actually magnetically attach these filters to the front of my camera instead of screwing them on all the time, which sounds like it's going to be very convenient. So that one was the well, it's actually got it on the front too. It's written on the front of the filter rather than the side, like most people, like most filters. Like my Kenko UV filter I've already got on there. So the K&F concept ones have it written on the front. This is the polarizer. This one is, oh, this is the ND filter. This is probably the one I'm going to use the most. This one is the UV filter. Absolutely, yeah, you can't even see the glass in it. It's beautifully clean. I want to hope so, actually, from coming from the plastic. And this is the mount. So the fun thing about this filter set, like I mentioned before, was that I'm able to screw this onto the front of the lens like a usual filter. See, this is my old UV filter. I'll just unscrew and I'll screw on this mount, and then depending on what filter I'd like, let's start off with the UV filter. It will just magnetically sit there. No more fiddling about trying to screw it on. And if I want to mount more filters on it, like the polarizer one or the ND filter, I can just magnetize that one as well. And the polarizer filter, if I really wanted to. I don't really want to, but that's really cool that you can do that. So I'm out in this location to take a photo of this ruined church with my Fujifilm 100S, GFX 100X. And I'm really looking forward to playing around with these filters. So let's get on with it. I think I'll start with the polarizer.